All right, we got some frustrating news from the creek today. So actually yesterday, I'm out here working on Old Blue. Just doing some yard work. And, well, I see Joe's Jeep, the reverse lights come on, like for no reason. And I thought, that's weird. And then next thing I see is smoke coming out of it. Yes, Joe's Jeep just sitting here in the driveway caught on fire. I don't know if you can see, everything's melted in here. And you can see where the dash is melted. And it's all ties back to this little guy here. Okay, so buyer beware. If you buy a vehicle that has had aftermarket lighting, see this bar light right here? Make sure that it has been installed properly. And so you'll have to do your checks, and I did not. So guess what? Tough lesson, because now we're out of vehicle, and well, it stinks. Literally, too. I mean, this stinks. I mean, it smells so bad. But anyway, what happened is that wire, what my guess is, was going through the firewall. The wiring got through that hole, rubbed on the metal and shorted, and well, caught on fire. And while it's not a complete loss, my guess is it is totaled. We're gonna have to just kind of check and see what we can do. But for your entertainment, we happen to have our security camera pointed right at it during the whole ordeal. So now you get to watch a car catch on fire.